For fuel supply businesses, filing tax returns can be a real headache. You're not just battling regulatory requirements, you're also racing against the clock. Every tax return has a slightly different prep process, with multiple preparers, manual steps, and different approvers. Getting it all filed on time and without mistakes is a real challenge. Well, what if we told you there's a solution that will automate tax preparation, including the whole approval process, so you can file accurate returns on time, every time? Suppose company policy requires tax return approvals based on the tax due. Refunds in small tax amounts to go to your immediate supervisor. For increasing levels of tax due, returns are routed to higher levels of management, up to the CFO, who will need to approve returns with the largest payments. Well, now you can. Avalara makes life easier for businesses just like yours. Returns Exercise lets you automate tasks to control the return prep process, add conditional logic, and add holds to tasks awaiting approval from other parties. See the tax session workflow widget on the upper left side of the screen. When a tax session is ready for a specific workflow step, you'll see a hollow check mark underneath workflow. Let's take a look to find out more. At a glance, we can see where the tax prep process is up to and what the next step is. Since I'm the preparer and have reviewed the return, I'll click Approve here to kick off the next step in the tax approval process. Based on the amount of tax due on the return, the workflow notifies the next approver, who reviews the return and comes to this screen to indicate their approval. Once the return is approved, the e-file is automatically created and ready for filing with the jurisdiction, accurate and on time. Visit avalara.com today to learn more and request a demo.